EagleRidge Roofing, trusted experts in residential and commercial roofing. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing, the premier roofing contractor serving Spring Lake, Utah, and nearby areas like zip code 84651. With decades of experience, we provide top-tier roofing solutions for both residential and commercial properties. For homeowners, our services include new roof installations, repairs, maintenance, and roof replacements. We also handle storm damage repairs, gutter installations, skylight fittings, and sealing to improve energy efficiency. Our team is skilled in working with various materials, from asphalt shingles to metal roofing, ensuring your home is protected year-round. For businesses, we offer commercial roof installations, flat roof repairs, metal roofing systems, and specialized solutions like TPO and EPDM membrane roofing. Plus, our Peak Protection Plan provides preventative maintenance to extend the life of your roof and safeguard your investment. What makes EagleRidge stand out? Our meticulous process, from detailed inspections to final quality checks, ensures durable results and total customer satisfaction. We use premium materials, adhere to strict safety standards, and maintain competitive pricing, earning us a stellar reputation backed by countless positive reviews. Whether it's residential or commercial roofing, EagleRidge is committed to excellence in every project. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com. EagleRidge Roofing, Utah's trusted roofing and construction experts.